I have brought the poster of the German Soil of the Year 2023, which is the arable soil. The main task of our research is the sustainable use of arable soils. Another important task is the public relations work about the relevance of soils in agriculture. About my work, it inspires me that soils are important and soils are different and heterogeneous. So here in Bad Lauchstädt, for example, we have the Czernozem, the black soil, which is one of the most fertile soils in Germany. And this is in contrast, for example, compared to the soils in Brandenburg, where we have much sandier soils which are less fertile, and how to manage these soils sustainably and still gaining high yields. This is the interesting part of my research. The difficulties with our research topic is that soils are heterogeneous on the one hand, so the Czernozem here in Bad Lauchstädt or the sandy soil in Brandenburg, and the situation that we are not able to look into the soils. So it's really important to have a lot of soil data, which is very difficult to gain. So the long-term field experiments and large databases with soil data we have measured or anyone has measured are very important for us. We are currently coordinating a large scientific program funded by the German Federal Ministry of Science and Education, which is called Soil as a Sustainable Resource for the Bioeconomy, or in short, BONARES. The main task of this program is how to manage soil sustainably while preserving the other soil functions and still gaining high yields. The other soil functions are, for example, carbon sequestration, which is important for climate protection, water storage, water filtering, nutrient recycling, or being the habitat for a high diversity of organisms living in the soil. In our consortium, we are developing a systemic soil model, which is very similar to the weather forecast models or the climate models we all know, but which is especially about soils, and where we want to model the influence of different soil management measures on the soil functions. As soon as we have finally developed our model, of course, we want to apply it, because this part, how a farmer can manage his soil sustainably using the results of our modeling, is the most interesting part for us.